We're going to talk about a journey going into your mind and understanding how the mind works and how it affects you. And my invitation to you is just try on what we're going to talk about and notice that voice in your head. Yeah, that one right there. The voice in the head that talks to you all the time. The voice in your head that the second the lights came on went, what the beep is going on? The voice in your head that constantly judges you. The one that criticizes you. Do you know what voice I'm talking about? Is it going right now constantly? So that voice in your head, people have been taught, is the reality. And there's two worlds. There's the world of our mind, which is the matrix, not our brain, but our mind, and what we think is real. Scientists don't even know exactly where the mind is. When you go to sleep, you dream, your mind goes somewhere. And then I'm talking about reality. Reality exists in this room right now and stops at that door.